Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about factoring polynomials with general trinomial. So in general trinomial, we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Ang focus lang muna natin dito is yung first term natin is equal to 1. Let's have an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. So dito, yung a natin is equal to 1. Yun yung first term. Yung b is equal to 5. Yun yung second term. At yung c equals 6. Yun yung third term. Dito sa general trinomial, yung prosesong gagawin natin is ganito. Nakafocus tayo sa b and c. Kailangan, yung dalawang number is equal to 5. At kapag pinag-multiply natin sila, equal to 6 naman. So, ilista natin yung mga number. So, una, 1 plus 4 equals 5. Dito naman, 1 times 6 equals 6. Then, 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. Dito naman, 2 times 3, that's equal to 6. So, kung mapapansin natin, ito yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin. So, therefore, 2 and 3. Yung 2 and 3, gagawin nating factored form. So, yung 2, gagawin nating x plus 2. At yung 3 naman, gagawin nating x plus 3. So, yung variable x, yung kasi yung ginamit na variable sa given. Okay? Tapos, plus 2, plus 3, kasi both numbers are positive. So, therefore, the factored form is quantity x plus 2 times quantity x plus 3. So, let's do checking. So, dito, gagamit tayo ng area model. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. And lastly, 3 times 2, 6. So, therefore, we have x squared. Saan galing yung 5x? Dito sa 2x plus 3x. That is equal to 5x. And then, plus 6. Dahil parehas ito sa given, that means, yung factored form natin na quantity x plus 2 times quantity x plus 3 is correct. Let us have another example. M squared minus 8m plus 15. So, the value of a is equal to 1. Yun yung first term. Value of b is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 because meron tayong minus 8. C equals 15. That's the third term. So, kailangan natin ng dalawang number kapag inadd is negative 8 at kapag minultiply equals 15. So, we have negative 1 plus negative 7, negative 8. Dito naman, 1 times 15, 15. Negative 2 plus negative 6 equals negative 8. Then, we have 3 times 5 equals 15. Negative 3 plus negative 5 equals negative 8. So, stop tayo saglit. Kung mapapansin natin, dito meron na tayong magkaparehas na number. Kaya lang, magkaiba ng sign. Okay? So, ang i-consider natin dito, yung negative 3 at negative 5. Kasi, ang middle term natin ay negative. Okay? So, imbis na 3 times 5, gagawin nating negative 3 times negative 5. Okay? Still, negative 3 times negative 5 is equal to positive 15. So, therefore, yung dalawang number na kailangan natin are negative 3 and negative 5. So, m squared minus 8m plus 15 is equal to yung negative 3 magiging m minus 3. So, m dahil yung variable na ginamit is m. Minus 3 kasi negative 3. Okay? Para sa negative 5 naman, that becomes m minus 5. Therefore, this is the factored form, quantity m minus 3 times quantity m minus 5. So, let us check. Gamit tayo ulit ng area model. M times m, that is m squared. M times negative 3, that is negative 3m. Negative 5 times m, that is negative 5m. Negative 5 times negative 3, that is equal to 15. So, yung m squared minus 8m, saan nakuha yon? Dito sa negative 3m plus negative 5m. Then last one, plus 15. So, dahil parehas ulit sa given natin, that means quantity m minus 3 times quantity m minus 5. Ito yung factored form na hinahanap natin. So, dito na muna natin tatapusin yung video. If ever na may question kayo, ilagay lang dyan sa comment section. Huwag kalimutan i-click ang like. At kung gusto nyo pang makapanood ng mga video katulad nito, don't forget to follow. Okay? Thank you so much and see you on the next video.